Hey there, Earthlings. Welcome back to where we uncover the wildest secrets of our incredible planet. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on mind-blowing facts like these. Today, we're counting down 10 insane facts about Earth that will completely change how you see our home planet. From buried oceans of gold to Earth's shocking expiration date, trust me, number 8 will leave you staring at the moon differently. Number 10. Earth isn't round. We often picture Earth as a perfect sphere, but in reality it's slightly squashed. The planet's rotation causes it to bulge at the equator and flatten at the poles, making it an oblate spheroid. This means Earth is about 26 miles, 42 kilometers, wider at the equator than from pole to pole. Even the highest mountains and deepest oceans are tiny compared to Earth's overall size. So from space, it still looks smooth, but it's definitely not a perfect ball. Satellite measurements reveal that even this shape isn't constant. Earth's bulge changes slightly due to melting ice and shifting water distribution. Some scientists joke that if Earth were shrunk to the size of a billiard ball, it would actually be smoother than regulation standards allow. Number 9. Gravity isn't uniform. If you've ever felt heavier or lighter in different places, you weren't imagining it. Earth's gravity isn't the same everywhere. Factors like altitude, dense rock formations, and even melting glaciers affect gravitational pull. One of the most famous examples is Hudson Bay, Canada, where gravity is slightly weaker. NASA's GRACE satellites have mapped these variations in exquisite detail, showing how major geological features and even seasonal water changes affect gravity. The difference is tiny, about 0.7% weaker at Mount Nevado Huascarán in Peru compared to the North Pole, but enough that precise measurements must account for it. Number 8. Twin moons theory. Earth may have once had two moons. A leading theory suggests that a smaller second moon, about 750 miles wide, orbited Earth billions of years ago before colliding with our current moon. This slow-motion crash could explain why the far side of the moon is more rugged and mountainous than the side we see. Computer simulations show the collision would have happened at just 5,000 miles per hour, slow enough to create mountains rather than craters. Some scientists believe remnants of this second moon may still be embedded in the lunar surface. Number 7. Purple Earth hypothesis. Before plants turned Earth green, some scientists believe our planet might have looked purple. Ancient microbes could have used a molecule called retinal instead of chlorophyll to absorb sunlight, giving them a violet hue. This theory comes from studying modern purple bacteria that thrive in low light conditions. If dominant early in Earth's history, they could have created vast purple microbial mats covering land and sea. The transition to green may have occurred when cyanobacteria evolved more efficient chlorophyll photosynthesis. Number 6. Sun hot core. Earth's core is as hot as the surface of the sun, about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. 5,500 degrees Celsius. This immense heat comes from radioactive decay and leftover energy from Earth's formation 4.5 billion years ago. The inner core is actually a solid iron ball, despite the temperature, because of incredible pressure, over 3 million times atmospheric pressure. Surprisingly, this solid core is growing by about 1 millimeter per year as the planet gradually cools, releasing heat that drives volcanic activity and plate tectonics. Number 5. The moon is drifting away. The moon is slowly leaving us at a rate of 1.5 inches, 3.8 centimeters per year. This happens because Earth's gravity pulls on the moon, but the moon's own gravity creates tides that push it away. Apollo astronauts left mirrors on the moon that we bounce lasers off to measure its distance with millimeter precision. This recession rate hasn't been constant. During the dinosaur era, the moon was much closer, creating tides hundreds of feet high that may have influenced early evolution. Number 4. Days are getting longer. Earth's rotation is slowing down, making days longer. 500 million years ago, a day lasted just 21 hours. The moon's gravity drags on Earth's oceans and land, creating friction that gradually reduces our spin. Ancient coral fossils show daily growth rings that prove shorter days in the past. The slowdown isn't steady. Earthquakes, glacial melt, and even large reservoirs can slightly alter Earth's rotation. In 2020, COVID lockdowns changed water distribution enough to measurably affect the planet's spin. Number 3. The third pole, Himalayas. The Himalayas are often called the third pole because they hold the largest reserve of fresh water outside the polar ice caps. These glaciers feed major rivers like the Ganges and Yangtze, supplying water to billions of people. The range is still growing about 1 centimeter per year as India continues pushing into Asia. Some peaks may actually be getting taller, faster than erosion can wear them down. The Tibetan Plateau's immense size even affects global weather patterns by disrupting atmospheric circulation. Number 2. The ocean is filled with gold. There's enough dissolved gold in the oceans to give every person on Earth about 4 kilograms, 9 pounds, worth roughly $200,000 per person. The gold comes from underwater volcanic vents and eroding continental rocks. While extraction isn't practical now, German scientists did develop a method in the 1920s that recovered small amounts. Some marine organisms even concentrate gold in their tissues, with certain seaweeds containing up to 30 times more gold than surrounding water. Number 1. Earth has an end date. Earth won't last forever. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will expand into a red giant, likely engulfing Mercury and Venus, and possibly Earth. But long before that, rising solar temperatures will boil away Earth's oceans in 1 billion years. As the Sun brightens by 10% every billion years, a runaway greenhouse effect will make Earth more like Venus. The last survivors might be microbes in high-altitude clouds, until even those habitats become too hot. Some models suggest Earth might actually spiral into the expanding Sun rather than be vaporized. And that's your daily dose of planetary insanity. Which fact blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below. I'm betting it's the gold-filled oceans or Earth's purple past.